Boom! I'm Hillary Shine with Good News, Killeen, if you dare. There are no tricks on this list of city happenings. Here's what we're treating you to now. City Council recently named 4 finalists for the city manager position, and you're invited to meet them. Finalists will be interviewed by a citizen panel November 1st at 5 p.m. at the Conference Center, and the public's invited to observe to learn more about each one. A meet and greet will follow from 6:30 to 7:30 that evening to give citizens a chance to interact one-on-one with the candidates. City Council will complete its interviews the following day and will let you know if they make a selection. Killeen Municipal Court invites you to solve a mystery at its annual open house event Monday, November 4th. You won't want to miss our volunteer students in action as they try a mock murder mystery case before the judge. In addition to the main event, you'll get to see the courtroom, meet the staff, and have some fun. Activities will include a DWI prevention simulator, public safety personnel, and distracted driving awareness, all free. Join the judge and help us solve the mystery at the court November 4th. Last episode, we told you about the street maintenance project in Northeast Killeen, generally bounded by Rancier, Westcliff, and Cedar Hill. The project is well underway and will continue through the end of November. The streets are receiving a slurry seal treatment which will improve the driving surface and extend the life of the roads. Affected residents are being notified directly when the service day for their street nears. The Tommy Harris Fitness Center is getting a little TLC this week and will reopen November 1st with new and improved equipment and amenities. The center opened in 2008, so it was time for some updates. We're doing general maintenance, cleaning, and improvements to fountains, fans, and televisions, but the real highlight is new cardio equipment. 7 treadmills, 2 air runner treadmills, 1 upright and 2 recumbent bikes, 6 elliptical cross trainers, 2 adaptive ellipticals, 2 stairmasters, and 2 air rowers. No matter what your preference or fitness goals, we'll have equipment to meet your needs. The Family Rec Center and Fitness Center are open Monday through Friday from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m., Saturday from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Sunday from noon to 6. Individual and family memberships are available and include access to all of the center's amenities, including the fitness center, and a variety of fitness classes. Come check it out November 1st. The holidays are just around the corner, which means city office closures. We'll be closed Monday, November 11th to honor our veterans on Veterans Day, and November 28th and 29th for the Thanksgiving holidays. Remember that garbage collection runs even on holidays, so be sure to put your can out. Planning holiday travel? If it involves flying, be sure to check flights at our airport first. American and United can connect you from right here to any destination in the world. Not only is Killeen Fort Hood Regional Airport close, it also has convenient parking and quick check-in. We work hard to keep our fares competitive with bigger airports, and in many cases, we meet or beat their rates. When you're searching flights, use the airport code GRK to take your trip from your hometown airport. This Halloween, no matter who you are or what you want to be, please be safe. We recommend door-to-door trick-or-treating between 6 and 8 p.m. Only go to houses with their porch lights on. Also make sure costumes don't obstruct a child's vision, hearing, or movement, and are flame resistant. Finally, be sure to check all candy before kids enjoy it. Happy Halloween! The festive season is just getting started, so visit KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10 to keep up with the latest happenings. Until next time, this is Good News, Killeen.